The Shunammite woman stands in her courtyard, sunlight warming the stone. Her young son, once raised from the dead, plays nearby. Elisha approaches quietly, his cloak shifting in the breeze. His eyes are compassionate, but serious.
The Lord has warned of a famine. It will last 7 years in this land.
He steps closer.
Go, you and your household. Stay wherever you can so you may live.
The woman looks at her son, her face a mix of concern and faith.
Where the Lord leads, I will go.
Philistine territory, years later. The woman and her son living among the Philistines. Marketplace crowds, simple rented home, years passing. Her son growing taller, stronger. Her heart always longing for home. Then, the famine ends. The woman stands before her property. Vines overgrown, strangers living inside, her fields taken by others. She holds her son's hand.
All that was ours, it is no longer.
Her son looks up, troubled but trusting.
Mother, what will we do?
She lifts her chin. We will go to the king. The Lord sees us still. Inside the palace, King Jehoram sits on his throne, leaning forward in curiosity. Gehazi, the servant of Elisha, stands before him, animated, telling stories.
Tell me more of the miracles Elisha has done.
Gehazi gestures vividly.
My lord, years ago there was a woman in Shunem. Her son died in her arms, but the man of God restored him to life. I was there.
The king's eyes widen, amazed. At that exact moment, guards part the way as the Shunammite woman and her son enter.
My lord, this woman has returned from the land of the Philistines to appeal for her house and her land.
Gehazi turns, stunned.
My lord, this is the woman. This is her son, the very one Elisha brought back to life.
The king stands, astonished.
Is this true?
The woman bows respectfully.
Yes, my lord, it is as he said.
The king steps down from the throne, moved by God's timing.
Restore to her everything that was hers, her house, her fields, and all the produce of the land from the day she left until now.
A royal official nods deeply.
It will be done.
The woman breathes in, overwhelmed by the goodness of God. Her son clasps her hand tightly. The woman walks through her gates, tears in her eyes as she sees her home returned. Fields vibrant again, servants welcoming her back. She looks upward.
The Lord remembers. The Lord restores.
Her son embraces her. The sun sets over Shunem, warm, peaceful, and full of promise. The story of the Shunammite woman reminds us that God never forgets the faithfulness of his people. Even when seasons change, lands are lost, or life feels unfair, he is already working behind the scenes to restore what was taken. Faith, generosity, and trust in God create room for miracles we could never imagine. May the Lord who restored the Shunammite woman's home, land, and blessings also restore everything in your life that was lost, broken, or delayed. May he go before you, speak on your behalf, and open doors no one can shut. May his peace guard your heart, and may his favor surround you like a shield. Restoration, joy, and provision. May these follow you in this season. Amen. Thank you so much for being here, for reading, and for journeying through these powerful biblical stories with me. Your presence means a lot, and I'm grateful for every moment you spend engaging with these reflections. If you've been blessed or inspired by this story, I'd love for you to subscribe so you won't miss future lessons, uplifting stories, and creative prompts. Come be part of this growing family. Your support helps keep these stories flowing.